Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. How are you doing today? Hope well. Today we will be talking about the most easy visa that you can use to move to Ireland, where you will be given an employment permit and you will be able to convert this visa to a longer route where you can gain permanent residence and can bring your family members with you also. We've been getting many questions concerning this country, and that is why we are making this video again for you to take advantage and apply now. Ireland is a great country with a great number of work opportunities. After Germany, Ireland issued the most number of work visas to the citizens of non-EU countries. If you are non-EU citizens and wish to carry out seasonal activities in Ireland. In 2022, Ireland has issued 4,311 permits to agriculture, forestry, and fishing, and 1,157 permits till now in 2023. You need to apply for the General Employment Permit. The Ireland General Employment Permit is to attract third country nationals. All occupations are eligible under this permit, so seasonal workers need to apply for the Ireland General Employment Permit and then an Irish Long Stay (D) visa to grant entry in Ireland. What is Ireland's General Employment Permit? The General Employment Permit is the most common work permit by the Irish Department of Business, Enterprise and Innovation, DBEI. The General Employment Permit is for one with low qualifications and can fill the labor shortage. How many work permits are issued by Ireland? According to the official Ireland Employment Permit statistics. 1. Work permit issued in 2022 to 39,955. 2. Work permits issued in 2023 till now, 20,783. Conditions for Ireland's seasonal worker visa. 1. You must have received a valid job offer from the Irish employer. 2. You must have a valid entry visa. 3. You must have a general employment permit. 4. A certificate of registration called an Irish residence permit. Duration of the permit. The Irish General Employment will be issued for an initial period of 2 years. You can renew it for up to 3 more years. After 5 years, applicants can apply for the long-term residency in Ireland. Ireland Work Visa Fee. The application fee for the Ireland General Employment Permit is 1. €500 for an employment permit of 6 months or less duration. 2. €1,000 for an employment permit from 6 months up to 24 months duration. Refund of the visa fee. If an application is unsuccessful, then 90% of the fee will be refunded. This depends on the employee or on the employer. For example, if the Irish employer paid the visa application fee for his employee, the refund will be given to the employer. Required documents for Ireland's seasonal worker visa. The checklist of documents in support of Ireland's General Employment Permit varies. Salary requirements. Your employer must pay a minimum annual remuneration of €27,500. Eligibility criteria. The applications will be only accepted from the Irish employer, which is registered with the Revenue Commissioners and with the company's registration office, Registry of Friendly Societies. Irish registered companies. Make sure to apply to the company which is registered. These companies are known as certified employers that offer work permits to foreign workers. Processing time for Ireland Employment Permit. It is advised to apply at least 12 weeks before the proposed employment start date. The Ireland Work Visa processing time is about 8 weeks. Step-by-step Ireland Seasonal Work Visa Process 2023, Employment Permit. 1. You must first find a job and have an offer letter from an Irish employer. 2. Your employer will apply for the General Employment Permit on your behalf, or you can apply online on the Employment Permits Online System, EPOS. 3. Pay the General Employment Fee. 4. Once your employment permit is issued, you must obtain an Ireland Long Stay D visa. 5. You must apply online for the Irish D visa. 6. If you have received a visa, you can travel to Ireland. 7. Once you are in Ireland, you have to apply for a residence permit at the Garda National Immigration Bureau, GNIB, and receive your Ireland residence permit. This is the process of applying for your Ireland Seasonal Workers Visa. We know a lot of you are going to be asking where to apply, how to apply, etc. But no worries. All application links for seasonal and ever-and skilled jobs are included in the description of this video. You can check it out and apply immediately. I covered Ireland types of visas in my previous Ireland video. If you are interested in knowing other work permits in Ireland, check it out. Hope this was very helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell icon to be notified whenever we publish new updates. Have a great day.